is Mod 2 for the Warrior 2 series. Starting from your mountain position, feet hip distance apart, hands down by the side, stepping back a leg's distance with that left foot. Your right knee is tracking forward over your second and third toe. Your left foot is in at about 45 degrees. Open up through the shoulders, slight dorsal flexion of the hands. Taking a peek down, make sure that knee isn't falling inwards. Try to keep that knee moving over that second toe of that front foot. If there's too much pressure on that back knee, please bend your back knee. Transitioning into reverse warrior. The left hand is going to come down towards the left knee or calf, reaching that right arm up. Gaze shifts up past the middle finger. Breathing here, your palm turns towards you slightly. Try not to collapse into the left body. Stay supported. Transitioning back to Warrior 2 position. Moving now into extended right angle. Reach your right arm forward slightly. Turn your head to the left. And now reach your right arm down on the inside of that right leg. Your fingers are just kind of grazing the inside of your right shin. The gaze just shifts up slightly towards the left. Push into that front foot. Come all the way back up to Warrior 2. Take a breath here. Big inhale, big exhale. Stepping back to mountain. Push into the front foot. Heel toe that left foot in. Stepping back to neutral.